how to fix unable to sync over on Steam. Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can fix unable to synchronization over on your Steam. So first of all, go to your PC and then go to local disk C and program files x86 and then go to Steam. And then here you will find user data. So you have to just simply delete this folder. And after deleting, again go back to Steam and then restart your Steam. Alright, so after restarting, the second thing you need to require is to go to your library. Then select your desired game in which you are facing the error and right click on it and go to properties. Then you have to go to local files and verify the integrity of game files. Just click on verify integrity of game files and it will basically verify all the files, and if there is any corrupted or missing file exists, it will re-download it and fixes your problem. So you have to wait for a few minutes. Alright, so after verification, now we have to repair our download folder. So for that, simply go to your Steam settings and here go to downloads. Now click on Steam library folders and here you will find your disk where your game is installed. So simply click on these three horizontal dots and click on repair folder. And you can see the library folder is repaired. Now simply launch your game and most probably your problem will be fixed. So this is basically how you can fix Steam unable to sync over on any game. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.